Do you know what makes a smartphone truly special? Introducing the Xiaomi 14T Pro, the newest powerhouse in the world of smartphones. Designed to blend performance, elegance, and innovation, this phone is ready to revolutionize your tech experience. With an impressive 6.67-inch display and 1.5K resolution, it provides an immersive and expansive viewing experience, perfect for all your entertainment needs. A 144 Hz refresh rate delivers super smooth visuals, ensuring every motion is fluid and every frame is crystal clear, whether you're gaming or browsing. The phone boasts an astounding 12-bit color depth, making the display burst with rich and lifelike colors, adding realistic detail to every image and video. A screen brightness of up to 4000 nits ensures you can see the screen clearly, even under bright sunlight, perfect for on-the-go use. The Xiaomi 14T Pro offers an immersive viewing experience with its advanced 1.5K display, making it ideal for gaming, watching content, and enjoying all your favorite apps in stunning clarity. The 144 Hz refresh rate ensures butter-smooth transitions, making every swipe and scroll seamless and enhancing the overall user experience with unmatched fluidity. Powered by the latest third-generation Snapdragon chipset, this phone guarantees lightning-fast processing speeds and smooth performance. Whether you're switching between apps, editing photos, or running demanding tasks, this chipset will handle it all with ease. With a powerful 5000 mAh battery, this phone supports 120W fast charging. This means you can fully charge your phone in just 19 minutes, keeping you connected all day long without interruption. With the latest third-generation Snapdragon processor, expect top-notch performance whether you are multitasking, gaming, or live streaming. Enjoy a smooth gaming experience, rapid app launches, and uninterrupted video streaming, making it ideal for both work and play. Plus, the massive 5000 mAh battery, alongside the 120W hypercharge technology, allows you to charge your phone from 0% to 100% in under 20 minutes. This ensures your device is always ready to go, even with heavy usage. The Xiaomi 14T Pro boasts a cutting-edge triple-lens camera with Leica lenses, designed to capture breathtaking photos. Whether you're a professional or an enthusiast, this camera system ensures you capture every detail with precision. Perfect night shots are at your fingertips, thanks to enhanced AI capabilities. The Xiaomi 14T Pro excels in low-light conditions, bringing vibrant colors and sharp details to your nighttime photos. Capture every moment in exceptional clarity with the Leica triple camera system. From sweeping landscapes to intricate close-ups, the Xiaomi 14T Pro ensures your photos are always crisp and vibrant. From breathtaking landscapes to low-light portraits, the Xiaomi 14T Pro delivers exceptional results every time. Using advanced AI, it elevates the photography experience, making every shot a masterpiece. Be it day or night, this camera is your perfect companion. AI-powered intelligent features to provide personalized recommendations and automatically adjust screen settings. Optimized for everyday tasks using the latest AI technology. Equipped with intelligent AI, the Xiaomi 14T Pro enhances the user experience by adjusting settings on the fly. It learns from your habits to provide personalized features, making your interactions effortless. Xiaomi 14T Pro, redefining performance. Order yours today. The Xiaomi 14T Pro is more than just a smartphone, it's a game changer. Get yours today and experience the future of mobile technology. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates.